Stop! Don't let your soda cans get crushed. I'm turning this $0 trash into a monthly filigree jewelry box right now. Found these in the mud. Look at the raw aluminum under that grind. It's a perfect canvas for our filigree hack. Metal edges are like razors. We never craft without our gray safety fortress. Gloves on, let's build. We're stripping away layers of oxidation. Scrub until the metal looks like a mirror. This is where the magic begins. Apply firm, steady pressure. We are turning a cylinder into a perfectly smooth designer plate. Strange tool alert! I'm using a dental pick. It allows us to meticulously etch intricate filigree patterns into the soft metal. Oh! I pressed too hard and tore the sheet. This is a $0 mistake, but watch how we reinforce it from the back. Resin to the rescue! It bonds the aluminum and gives our jewelry box that high-end weight and durability. Folding the corners. We're wrapping our filigree around a velvet core for that boutique luxury feel. The secret hack? Flush-mounted magnets. This ensures the lid locks with absolute precision every single time. Boutique price, $150. Mason's cost, $0 for the cans, $2 for magnets. That's a fortress win. Deep red velvet. This is the perfect home for a guest's most precious treasures. Quality control check. The seal must be airtight. Precision is what makes a gift truly special.
Listen to that. The satisfying snap of high-end engineering.
Pro tip, always degrease your cans. It ensures the resin bonds forever. Stay smart, stay safe. One old can, one dental pick, and a total transformation. This is the ultimate $0 designer gift. The filigree box is a dream. What's next? These old belts are hiding a designer camera strap. See you there.